Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPhone 15 Plus to an Android device. Begin by opening App Store on iPhone and Play Store on an Android. Then download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to set it up. Let's start with an Android. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Confirm. Continue. And allow. Then, in this window about new updates, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and close it by hitting OK. Lastly, click on Close in white pop-up at the top, and go to iPhone device. Now, click on Allow Full Access in Library pop-up, and the other two about activity and notification, you can click on wherever you wish to. In my case, ask app not to track, and don't allow. Now, in this window, you can also choose Not Now if you want to, just like on an Android, and close it by hitting OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of iPhone, and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Now, if you see this kind of pop-up, click on wherever you wish to on your Android device to decide if you want to personalize your ad experience. Then click on Close this window and go back to iPhone. Finally, using all of those categories available at the top, you can choose all of your files that you wish to send, like photos, videos, contacts after choosing OK in the pop-up, and even files. When you finish, hit Send at the bottom next to Selected. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Allow camera access in the pop-up, and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!